Hey guys, it's Austin at Hunt Ford in Franklin, Kentucky. I've got another cab chassis to show you. This one's stock number T21613. This is an F350 Lariat cab chassis. Black. This one's more than your normal work truck. Keyless entry, remote start, heated and cooled seats. This one's got one of our Napa hide beds on it. This Napa hide bed is what they call a PGNC. All the Napa hide beds are kind of a 4-letter model number. These are gooseneck body beds, so the gooseneck is actually recessed down in here. These are 9.5-foot beds, well, they're actually 9.5 foot right to that kind of dovetail right there. This one's got belly boxes. They call this kind of a skirted bed. Does have the headache rack up top there. You can see backup camera. Well appointed on the inside. Like I said, leather interior, heated and cooled seats. This one's crew cab, so there's plenty of room to haul 5 guys around, no problem. This one's a Power Stroke, obviously 4-wheel drive. I'll put my 1-800 number on here. If you guys have got any questions, you can give us a call. This truck is here and for sale. We're the home with no dealer fees and no dock fees. We're at 625 Garvin Lane in Franklin, Kentucky. If y'all got any questions, just give us a shout. Thanks. Have a great day.